So if you watch the previous video right before this very one right here, you're going to realize that we're able to forecast this beautiful forecast on USD, which is a 1 to 32 risk reward ratio. So what we were basically looking for right here was for the market to come and take out the liquidity which was resting above here and then come into our area, and once we have our confirmation, then we're going to get involved, right? And this is exactly what happened. Now let me show you what ended up happening on this particular trade. Okay, so we saw the market beautifully coming and taking out the liquidity which was resting above like we wanted, and then we saw the market creating the Asian session right here. So which the high was taken out, and later on the low was also taken out. And after that, we saw the market now coming to our area of value right here. Okay, now let's go to the lower time frame. I show you what I was looking at on the lower time frame. So as soon as the market came to our area, this trade was shared as a trade signal right here in our signals community right here. So you can see that the market was there. It was giving me nice confirmations on the lower time frame. Then I was able to actually share this signal. And then later on, so this shared was shared around 12:16, and then about 50 minutes later, the market had actually dropped. As you can see, the market has actually dropped about 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and then once this happened, because I knew this was very very tricky, I was able to tell the community to actually go break even on this trade. And at that particular point, the market was actually at about 2 hour, right? So as you can see from this level right here. So this is what happened. So the market this just broke this low right here. So when that happened, I was like, hey guys, let's go break even, because it was a very very tricky situation. So after we broke even on this particular trade, guess what ended up happening on this trade? The market just went back against us and came to our entry right here. As you can see, the market pulled back after us moving our stop loss to break even. The market pulled back into our area, and then it went against us. It went against us just for a short period, and I was in the market at that particular time. So the market took out this high and also took out that obvious high which was there. And then after that, the market drops all the way to where it is right now. Crazy, crazy, crazy stuff happened on this particular trade. So we were right about the direction. However, this didn't hold, neither did that one hold right there, unless you're planning on having a 16 pips stop loss, then you'd have caught it. As you're aware, most of us, if you're trading currencies, we don't take trade that has a stop loss of more than 10 pips most of the time, right? So this is what ended up happening on this trade. We got taken out, but for a break even, that's if you are in our mentorship community or signals community right here. Unless those of you guys who are out there or are just trading on your own, most likely you've taken a loss, because the market literally ended up going against us right here, and then it pulled back in our direction. It's tricky, but it is what it is. We're able to get out on break even on this particular trade right here in our mentorship, in our signals community right here. So this is the benefit, some of the benefits that you're going to get when you're actually part of our signals community. You get to get trade signals alert. You get to be told when to move to break even and when to get out of the market. All that is going to be communicated in time. Talking about that, remember today is the 30th of December 2024, and tomorrow is the last day of our promotion. So I really hope you've taken advantage of this promotion, because it's going to give you everything that you need in order for you to become a consistently profitable trader as we are stepping into 2025 right. All right. So you guys, I just thought I would actually show you what happened on this particular trade and how we're able to manage it. Otherwise, as you can see, everything was actually managed right here. So the entry was here, and we were able to go break even when the market went to about 1 to 2 risk reward ratio profit. However, this market didn't actually play according to how we wanted it to play, but it is what it is, and the market ended up taking everyone out, and also these people out before it went against us, and that's what happens, guys. It's normal. All right. So I really hope you found some sort of value in this video. If you have, kindly do me a favor by subscribing, liking the video, and also commenting in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Until next time, goodbye, and make sure you check the first link in the description for you to get a 30% off our mentorship community and signals. Cheers.